Good morning. This is what we're making today, a jetpack, and that's why you needed 2 bottles. Let me just show you all the things that are going to be required for this activity today. We're going to need some flares to come out of our bottles. So either some plastic or some red fabric, some brightly colored fiery paper. You're going to need some straps to go over the shoulders, so you can use fabric, a piece of elastic, or you can use a double thickness of duct tape, some sturdy scissors. I use duct tape. You can use masking tape or sticky tape, and then of course 2 bottles. You can use 2-liter cool drink bottles, or in this case these are 2 milk bottles, and a piece of backing board. So the idea is to get your piece of cardboard and strap your 2 bottles onto it. And I've used the duct tape, but anything will do, so that as long as they're firmly held against the base. And then the next thing is to apply the straps. This is 2 pieces that you can of fabric I've used today. You can use duct tape, as I say. You can use string. You could use a piece of elastic if you have so much. And measure it around your child's shoulders and tape it down. These straps are at the bottom, go out to the side, and the ones at the top go upwards so that they go directly over the shoulders, and these come around the waist and into the side of the bottle. Once you've attached those nice and firmly, you can add some fire into the bottom of the bottles to make the rocket look more authentic. And I have just found a red plastic from a bag, and or else you can use a piece of red cloth and add in some flares at the bottom. And then off you go and enjoy being an astronaut with a jetpack that'll take you all over the universe. Bye.